Hi parents, students. I'm going to do a quick ClassLink tutorial to show you how to log in at home. Now, this is the access to Imagine Math, Imagine Literacy. Remember, it's free. It's not required, but it gives the students additional practice at home to work on skills that we work on in the classroom. Now, the students are required to do this program about 20 minutes each per day. But we do work on them in the classroom, but any additional practice at home is good. Now, remember it is free, and they need their ClassLink login. If for some reason they don't have it, I will get it to you. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I opened up my Google page. I'm just going to go right here and type in Southwest Schools. So from here, I'm going to just click on Southwest Schools. I'm going to go to the bottom and click on Quick Links. So from this screen, I have ClassLink, this blue and white cloud. So from here is the main login page. Here's where the username goes. Here's where their password goes. And right here, it always needs to say SW Schools. So I'm going to log in really quick to show you under my daughter's account. I'm going to click Sign In. And from here, I have Imagine Learning, which is reading, language, vocabulary, spelling, phonics. And this is Imagine Math. Here is Learning A to Z, which is Raz Kids. Now, only my class uses this, so they have their own special login. So I'm going to click on Imagine Learning. Now, when the kids click on it, it should automatically log them into the program. They shouldn't have to put in their username. So if you see right here, it says Caitlin. She's already logged in. They're going to start by clicking on Imagine Language and Literacy. And it will just automatically bring them to, I guess, wherever they left off. I'm going to click Sign Out. I'm back here, so here's Imagine Math. And from here, now the screen looks a little bit different because my daughter's in first grade, so her program's set up a little bit differently, but it would bring them right to their program. It's already logged her in. Just X out of there. Here is Learning A to Z. Now this is my account with all the students on here. They can just log in. And if I'd like, I can go up here and sign out. Now, you can save this as a bookmark so that you don't have to go through the Southwest page every single time you want to log in. I'll just come up here, click on Bookmarks, click on Bookmark this page, and then I'm just going to type ClassLink. Done. So if you have any questions or you don't have the correct password, just send me a message and I'll get you the password. Thank you.